Please subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button below, which is absolutely free, and hit the bell icon for new notifications. And if you are a return user and already subscribed my channel, then please don't hit the button again. Thank you.
Hello guys, Anushka this side from Review 101 and welcome to my channel. So this is unboxing video which is from GlamEgo box, which is India's #1 subscription box. And the good thing about the box is this do have a theme every month. So the theme for this month is no resolutions theme, which is hashtag no resolutions. So they do describe few resolutions on their box. As you can see, they do have mentioned say always yes, less Instagram, take less, be traditional, no red lipstick, get him, no iPhone X, and so on. So yes, this is how the box is. The box is pretty regular size. They do not have any extra plastic box, but the quality of box is very nice. It's very hardboard. So yes, this is the box. Now let's move inside the box. What's inside this box? So this is how the box is from inside. They have this card which mentioned thanks for making GlamEgo India's #1 beauty box. On the back of the card is a description card which have all the product described which is inside of this box. So the price of the box is rupees 299, and this do contains all the products which is mentioned here. So let's start with the products section. So the first product is Biobloom product, which is face radiance oil. So this is how the product is. The oil is from outside. This is from Bio and Bloom, which is age defying radiance booster. So this is 100% natural and 15 ml bottle. So they do describe the ingredients, how to use this. The very good thing about this product is this is parabens, LLP and petroleum free, and tails 14.99 Indian rupees. This is how the packing is. So let me tell you, the product is very nice. As you can see, I'm already using this product and it's like I have already completed half of the bottle. So the product is very nice. This is how the product looks from inside. Let's see. So this is how the product looks from inside. This is how it looks from inside. So I have already opened this bottle. So the texture is also very nice, non-greasy texture, and for those people who are having dry, oily combination skin, no matter what skin type you have, you can use this oil. It's very nice oil. You can see it's non-sticky oil. So yes, this is very nice oil, very radiance oil. So moving to our next product, which is a Bella Voste product, and it's a lip gloss which retails 599 Indian rupees. So they do give you 4 options to choose your favorite color, and I chose this color, which is called number 2, Rust Crush. So this is Bella Voste lip gloss, the perfect lip gloss which is formulated in Italy, and the net weight is 3.2 ml. So they do give you 4 different color options, and I chose this color. Let's see from inside now. So this is the color which I choose. It's a very pink color. The very good thing about Bella Voste lip gloss is it's very hydrated lip gloss. No matter what color you choose, it gives you very nice pigmentation and color. So I choose this very nude shade. This is how the color is. It's very hydrated and very creamy formula. So now moving to our next product, which is Natural Bath and Body Nourishment Cream. This is of flavor grapefruit, vitamin C, and this is the tube which I received. This retails rupees 220. So this one contains 20 ml of products. The very good thing about this product is it's a very travel friendly product. Like you can see, the tube is very travel friendly, very small, and this do have very strong essence of grapefruit. I will definitely try this cream and will get back to you about the review of this cream. Now moving to our last product, which is a skincare or makeup, and this is from premium brands, which will be retails up to rupees 350. This is the product which I received, the last product from a mCAFFEINE face wash, mCAFFEINE. It's a face wash which is very like, I love the packing, number one, and this is the packing of the product. This is also very travel friendly, which contains a good amount, 50 ml of product. The good thing about this product is it's paraben free product face wash. So yes, this is how the product is. I will definitely try the product and will get back to you how this face wash is. So now from all the 4 products of this box, I love this Voste lip gloss because I'm already using this oil and this oil is quite nice. Now I'm willing to try this Voste lipstick. So yes, these all were the products which I received in my GlamEgo box. Do subscribe my channel and comment below for more such videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep smiling, stay healthy.